Hi all, early in the morning. It's after 12 o'clock where I am, after midnight, and I'm making this video just for you guys. So I wanted to make this video for a while. It's about passive income and how it's kind of a bit of a myth, in my opinion. Okay, it's not really something that is attainable. So I've got a few sort of crypto YouTubers. Okay, so I want to talk about passive income specifically in crypto. Okay, because personally speaking, I don't think it exists. Um, so we've got this guy here, earn 1.2% to 1.8% per day, crypto passive income, coin market bull. Okay,
And days pool.
so he's got his little video up. You know, this guy, DeFi guys, you probably follow him, some of you, 34,000 subscribers. And this was like, what is it now? When did he make this? He made this video a month ago. So I thought, all right, let's have a look at this coin market ball. Let's see how it's going on. So if you go to it, and it looks like it's gone. Okay. So it looks like it's rugged already. So in a nutshell, you know, how is that passive income? You know, you put your money in and it's gone. All right. I mean, passive income in my eyes is something that you can put your money into or not put any money into. Okay. Earning passive income. So earning money without actually putting any money into the system. I would have thought that's a possibility in certain businesses. All right. If you set them up amazingly well. Um, but let's say you put some money in, which is most of these cryptos. Um, if you put like $1,000 in and you earn $10 a day, then uh, that would be a decent return. You're earning 1% a day. That's massive. Oh, okay, 1% a day. But if you only earn that crypto 1% a day for 20 days, so in other words, you get your $200 back. And then this happens where this, I'm assuming this is rugged. Okay, it might not have done. Okay, it might just be the site's down, but I think this site has been down for several days from the sounds of it, all the talk and all of that. If you put $1,000 in and you lose 800, you know, you've lost 800 and you feel horrible about it. Okay. It's not passive income. You know, it's not something that you can put your money into, leave it alone, forget about it, relax, and not have to worry about it. To me, that is passive income. If you're continuing having to check up on something, or if you're worried, if in the back of your mind you know that $1,000 can go like that, then that isn't passive income. Passive income should be a relaxed way of earning money without having to do much. So you might have to set some stuff up to begin with. Okay, so in other words, you set up you paid your $1,000 into some project or other, and then you let it earn your money. All right. In my opinion, that doesn't exist in crypto. So we have a look at this other guy, Crypto Andy. Okay. So he's got his
to some new projects. So what you will notice, Kang Kai and Pharma.
the his site. He's got this basically. Yeah, here we go. Road to $1,000 a day in passive income. So he's got this thing going on a daily basis where he's showing his spreadsheet and all of that, updating it, and trying to get $1,000 a day. Hello, Cat. And if you look at some of the projects here, I don't know if you can see it, but some of them, in my opinion, are Ponzi schemes. So I know some of you won't agree with me, but I believe, hello, Cat. Do you think that's a he thinks cat's a Ponzi, but it's not on here. Okay, so certain ones here, I don't know about all of these. I think elephant money, for instance, is a Ponzi scheme. Now you might well make money on it, but and I don't think elephant money is going to sort of go belly up anytime soon. But it's a sort of project that isn't really going to get your money back, okay, very quickly. FX Master Gold, I think that's a Ponzi scheme. I mean, baked beans is 1 billion% a Ponzi scheme. Okay, it's just a minor. Okay, there's no external revenue coming in there. So to say this is like passive income, I mean, baked beans could go belly up anytime and you've lost all your money. That is not passive income. Okay. So PGV may be genuine. Not sure about that. I don't think Project 79 personally is legitimate. Chester. This is very hard to make this video. And you got your cat pouring away at me. What do you want? What do you want? Gonna bite me in a minute. If I put my finger underneath him there, he'll definitely bite me. Oh no, he didn't. Sometimes he bites me. There you go, he's biting me now. Why'd you do that? Have you got a cat that bites you? Huh? This is probably my best video yet, I reckon. Right, I'm not going to edit this. I'm going to keep it in. I know some of you guys like cats, especially in the cat arbitrage, eh? Okay, let's try and move my mouse that he's now stood on.
Buy regularly.
What's this? Oh, that's the moon. Oh, he's gone about. So he's going on about Binance here. So I'd say that Binance here, this site here, is probably the only thing that's close to being passive. Although that is massively risky. He's talking about staking and things like that in this video. Now, the thing is about staking on Binance, you can put your money into a coin, so which is highly inflationary, which can give great rewards. But the trouble with that is that coin can dump. It can go down massively. So your rewards aren't going to outweigh what it's gone down in value. So again, that is not a passive income play. This guy here, he's actually called Passive Income Croc, and he promotes a lot of Ponzi schemes. Okay, now he's saying he's going to be set up for life with just these two schemes: FX Master Gold and Crypto Program. Okay, the Crypto Program. So that's that package that earns 25% per month, which is another Ponzi scheme, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's a Ponzi scheme. That's the one that I had a bit of a beef with the Fud Farm with. Okay, so lots of YouTubers at the moment advertising crypto program and getting 25% a month. Complete Ponzi scheme. All right, complete scam. And eventually this one's going to turn up. Okay, and be bad news. That's someone's address there. Let's have a look at another one. So this is an interesting one. So this is DAP University, and he's talking about he's got 556,000 subscribers, and he's talking about flash loans. Now, a bit complicated. So first of all, you've got to have a lot of technical skills. This is just a drawing of what's going on. But in reality, you've got to do some sort of programming. All right, you've got to do some programming. And then the other thing is you're going to have to risk it for a biscuit as well, because you're going to have to put your money on exchanges. You're going to have to risk your money, and that could potentially go. You've got to create contracts and things like that. Put your money in, put your crypto in a contract, that kind of thing. So although it's a flash loan, you could end up losing your money potentially for some gains. All right. So maybe the risk is low, but there's still risk there. It's not truly passive income. And many people in the comments, have said that, didn't they? They did say that. So let me know in the comments what you think. Does passive income exist at all? Just going on another project that I got involved with. I got involved with this Velo this week. And you put your money in basically, and every week you get $15, roughly speaking. Okay, for hopefully for the next 4 years. So if you put $1,000 in, you get $15 a week, potentially. Okay, you could be, I can't even work that out, $750 a year. That's $3,000 in 4 years, and hopefully get your money back. So that's a reasonable amount. if it works. All right. It's always a big if. Are these tokens going to be worth anything? Are they going to go up? So it might be a great play. It might stink, it might just bomb. Okay. Who knows? Only time will tell on that one. But it is not passive income. Some will say, well, you're earning $15 a week from this. You've not got to really do a great deal. You've got to press a few buttons and stuff. But there's still some technical stuff that you've got to do there. It's not truly passive income. So let me know in the comments, guys, what are your feelings about passive income? I think some of the YouTubers, their income is more passive than ours, all right, but I don't think many people, any person really is truly earning passive income. Okay. So passive income, does it exist or is it just mythology?